Hi everyone, Kyle Davis here with Integrity Financial Group here in East Orlando. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a good Easter weekend, despite the fact that it was probably the most different Easter weekend we could have possibly imagined. I know my family, we watched Mass on Catholic TV and, had a nice little lunch, and that was about it. But, family and keeping the day special is what's important, right? I wanted to take a few minutes today to talk about a recent blog post that I put out on our blog. It's about the CARES Act, the emergency, or maybe not so emergency, measures that were passed by the government that is allowing some really unique exceptions and some really interesting changes to the rules when it comes to 401ks and IRAs. Let me share my screen with you here real quick. The CARES Act is allowing for penalty-free withdrawals from IRAs and 401ks right now. But should you do it? Should you do it is the question. I want to highlight a couple things here, particularly Section 2202 of the CARES Act, titled Special Rules for Use of Retirement Funds. So those who are affected by the coronavirus pandemic can draw up to $100,000 penalty-free from their IRA or 401k. So what does this mean to be affected by COVID-19? Well, Congress defines this broadly. If you've been diagnosed or have a spouse or dependent that has been diagnosed, if you're experiencing adverse financial consequences, furloughs, layoffs, that kind of thing, unable to work because you can't obtain childcare, if you own a business that has been closed and deemed non-essential, there are a lot of ways to qualify for this special exception. I've spoken to a lot of business owners here in the Orlando area regarding the economic health of their homes and businesses. And, this new option is on the table, but the question is, should you consider taking it? So let's look at the details a little bit more here. Penalty-free access to retirement savings. Traditionally, there has been a 10% penalty for early withdrawals from IRAs or 401ks, and that early means you're not age 59 and a half yet. But through changes passed, this penalty is going to be waived for individuals who tap into their retirement savings for up to $100,000 to cover financial impact from COVID-19. Now, if you choose to take advantage of this withdrawal, they're actually allowing you to spread the tax liability over 3 years. Because even though you're withdrawing from the account, with an exception, you've still got to pay the tax off that IRA or 401k. However, you will have 3 full years to return the savings if you want. And you could spread this tax liability over the next 3 years as well. Now, that's interesting to me because the option to pay back a 401k is pretty common. I'm sure a lot of people watching this have taken a 401k loan at some point or have considered taking a 401k loan. So that's a normal thing. But being able to take from an IRA and then put it back, that's unprecedented. That's something over that long a period of time we have not seen. We have not seen anything like that. This is definitely a rare exception. And also the increase in loan limits. The rules used to be the maximum allowed from a 401k for a loan was greater of $10,000 or 50% of your vested account balance, or $50,000, whichever of those is less. And because of the CARES Act, the loan limit has been adjusted to up to 100% of vested account balance, or $100,000, whichever is less. This option is available for individuals 180 days after the CARES Act has been enacted, so it is a limited time offer. So this means the withdrawal limits for 401ks has doubled, but the rules for paying loans back have not changed with 401ks. Repayments still have to occur within 5 years, and there's some other details as well. I'd encourage you to visit our website, financialservicesamerica.com. That is where you can find the blog here. In fact, if we go to the home page and you just scroll down a bit, you'll see the link to the blog right there, financialservicesamerica.com. And there it is. You can also access some of our YouTube content from there as well. But heading back in for a couple little closing items here. The considerations I want to talk about are whether it's wise to take advantage of this. Yes, it's on the table that we can withdraw penalty free from our accounts, but the big question is, should you do it? Should you do it? Yes, you may need money now for short term, but remember, that's retirement money. Those are dollars that are supposed to be earmarked for retirement. And taking from that will impact your financial future. That will impact your retirement income. So should we maybe explore other options? Well, the answer is it depends on your situation. But other options that are out there, let's think of that. Personal loans, home equity line of credit, accessing emergency funds or cash values if you have cash value life insurance. There are lots of things to consider, so don't make a knee-jerk decision just because the options are on the table. This is the time where you want to consult with your financial professional, talk to your advisor, and see what the best option could be for you. And if you haven't heard from your advisor since the beginning of March, or heard from your advisor's office at least, you may want to consider your options if you get my meeting. This is the time where we as advisors are being the most proactive with our clients and checking in on people. If you need any kind of personalized or one-on-one attention, or just have a question to ask when it comes to this CARES Act or anything else and how it relates to your retirement, because I do specialize in retirement planning for entrepreneurs, feel free to reach out. You can reach us through our compliant website, financialservicesamerica.com, and submit a contact to me there. Or you can call directly 407-271-8029. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying these video blogs. I'm really enjoying making them, and I don't want this to be a short-term thing. I would like to do this for a long time. So leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to hear about, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover. Anything having to do with financial planning or retirement. But specifically, I focus on retirement planning for entrepreneurs, small business owners, micro business owners. So that's about it for today. I'm going to leave our disclosures up for just a minute. As always, you can visit online at financialservicesamerica.com, or you can call our office directly, 407-271-8029. Have a great rest of your week, everyone, and we'll see you next time.